Eventually, your customer will either approve or reject your estimate. At that point, it's time to take the next step. Let's look at an estimate by going to Sales, Customers, and then choosing the Estimates filter from the top. We issued an estimate to Patrick Frakes, and they recently called us up on the phone and approved the estimate. So let's click the link here, and now we can see the open estimate. Clicking that open estimate allows us to edit the estimate up here at the top left. Notice that currently it says that this estimate is pending. Let's change that over to accepted, and then enter the name of the person who accepted it, along with the acceptance date, and then save and close the estimate. Now that we've accepted the estimate, let's create an invoice based upon it. QuickBooks fills in everything for us as long as you filled out the customer's information ahead of time. The email address, billing address, and terms all get entered immediately. But if there's anything you need to change, you can always click in the field and change it. You can also see the original estimate by clicking One Linked Transaction, and here is the estimate that we just marked as being approved. Down towards the bottom of the screen, we can see a list of products and services, and these are the same products and services that get brought over from the estimate. If you need to change any of the quantity or rates, or even add more products and services on this invoice, you can do that. So here, if the customer also decided that they wanted to have some trimming done, we can input that on the invoice and then enter the quantity, and this will be included on the final invoice. So it's completely customizable at this point, and you don't have to go completely by what's on the estimate if you don't want to. Scrolling down here, you'll see the same options that you do for any other invoice. And once you're satisfied with the invoice, save the transaction. We're emailing this to our client, and this is the subject line that will appear in the email, as well as the body of the email. And then over here on the right-hand side is a PDF copy of the invoice that'll be emailed to them. Now we can see that the estimate has been closed, and the customer has an open balance, which is the same amount as the invoice that we just created for them. Use estimates to propose work to customers and quickly fill out invoices for them once they approve that work.